Alright, quick question. When was the last time you just paused? Like, really paused? No phone, no scrolling, no multitasking. Just you and your breath. Hello, everyone. Namaste and welcome to episode 6 of the MDNIY Yoga podcast. I'm Ananya, and today we're diving into something that's honestly way bigger than just a workout or a wellness trend. We're asking why yoga? Not why now, not why today, but why yoga at all? And no, the answer isn't buried in some philosophy book or locked away in a yoga studio. It's right here, in your daily life. It's in how you breathe, how you move, how you feel. Because let's face it, life is loud, it's fast, it's full on. And yoga is a pause button. It's a deep breath in the middle of chaos. It's the moment you choose presence over pressure. And today, we're going to unpack all of that in a way that's real, relatable, and maybe even a little surprising. So grab your coffee and get comfortable. Let's start by talking about why yoga might just be the most powerful thing you can do for your body, your mind, and your life. Not from a textbook, not from a trend, but from real life. Because yoga isn't just something you do on a yoga mat, it's something you live. In a world that's always rushing, deadlines, notifications, traffic, yoga is that gentle reminder to pause, to breathe, to just be. And no, it's not about how far you can stretch or how long you can hold a pose. It's about how deeply you can connect with your body, your breath, your thoughts, your emotions. Yoga is presence, it's awareness, it's showing up for yourself fully. Let's get real for a second. Science tells us yoga improves lung function, supports your heart, eases pain, and helps with chronic conditions. But what underlies all of those scientific findings is something simple, that yoga builds resilience. Think about it. On the mat, you learn to stay steady when things get tough. Off the mat, same thing. Whether it's a traffic jam, a tough meeting, or a hard conversation, yoga helps you stay grounded. That's why people from all walks of life, CEOs, students, soldiers, seniors, are turning to yoga, not to escape life, but to engage with it more fully. And here's the thing, it's needed now more than ever. It's every man's and every woman's survival kit for the 21st century. When you feel your neck deep in the hassles of everyday life, yoga provides you the life jacket to stay afloat. Lifestyle diseases like diabetes, heart issues are on the rise. We sit too much, stress too much, and move too little. Yoga offers a way out of that cycle. It's not just a workout, it's a wake-up call. It teaches us to listen to our bodies, to catch the early signs of stress or fatigue before they turn into something bigger. It's prevention, not just cure. And mentally, yoga is a total game changer. It helps reduce anxiety, ease depression, and build emotional strength. It gives you space to breathe, to reflect, to reset. This isn't just a personal journey, it's a movement, a national one. Even our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, calls it transformative.
The way to lead a calm, creative, and content life is yoga. It can show the way in defeating tensions and mindless anxiety. Instead of dividing yoga, yoga always unites. Instead of further animosity, yoga assimilates. Instead of increased suffering, yoga heals. Practicing yoga has the ability to bring an era of peace, happiness, and brotherhood.
Global health leaders also agree with our Prime Minister. The World Health Organization recognizes yoga as a powerful preventive health tool. And the best part? You don't need fancy gear. You don't need to be flexible. You don't even need a yoga studio. All you need is to practice simple, common yoga protocol, a little space, and the willingness to show up. Yoga meets you exactly where you are. No judgment, no pressure. Whether you're young or old, a beginner or a pro, yoga welcomes you. So here's my invitation to you. As we count down to the 11th International Day of Yoga on June 21st, don't just watch others do yoga. Try it yourself. Because when you choose yoga, you're choosing clarity over chaos, presence over pressure, health over hurry. You're choosing a better relationship with your body, your mind, and the world around you. That's why yoga. Thank you for tuning in to the MDNIY Yoga podcast. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who could use a little calm in their life. And don't forget, June 21st, we breathe together. Until next time, stay grounded, stay present, and keep practicing.